Hi, I'm Destiny from Some Call It Destiny, and today I want to talk to you about homeschool science, specifically the live homeschool science classes that are taught by Greg Landry from College Prep Science. Now, we have taken both his self-paced and his live science classes, and today I want to talk with you a little bit about the differences between the two. So one of the biggest differences is that you have access to a live lecture once a week. Now, if the lecture is at a time that doesn't work for you, don't let that discourage you. You do get access to the recordings, so your child can watch them when they need to, or if they want to rewatch it for something that they missed, they would have access to do that. During the lecture, they also are able to interact with other homeschool students on a limited basis, so there is that opportunity. But the biggest difference is that there are graded assignments and quizzes that the professor does, and you have access to the virtual labs. And the virtual labs are actually what I really want to talk with you about. So what is a virtual lab? Well, a virtual lab is a science laboratory that you access virtually. So the students go into a room where they get to turn on the light switch, put on their safety goggles and their lab coat, and then they are able to access the experiment drawer and pick the experiment that they want to work with and bring it out onto their workbench. These are really fun for the kids, but the biggest benefits of a virtual lab are, one, there is no materials needed. I do not know how many times I have had to stop in the middle of an experiment because we were short a grape or because we were missing something that I thought that we had. And so this is great. There are no materials that you need to have on hand. The second is that there is no parent supervision needed. My kids don't have to wait for me to be able to do the experiment, which is a plus for them because then I am not holding up their schoolwork, which I always hate. The second, there's no mess, there's no cleanup when you have a virtual lab. And the third is you have access to more projects because you are not confined to what you can do safely within your home. And so that is all benefits of having a virtual lab, and you have access to that through the course. Now, we took the pre-physics course, and my son really enjoyed it. He loved learning about the different ways that things worked and doing the experiments online. So if you are looking for a live science class or a self-paced science class, give Greg Landry at College Prep Science a try. Thank you.